Amazon Web Services is a powerful cloud platform that offers a range of tools, including one of its key services is Amazon EC2. Amazon EC2 makes it easy to run virtual servers in the cloud, whether you are hosting websites, running applications, or managing data. It provides flexibility and control, allowing you to scale resources up or down as needed. With FlyWP, connecting to AWS EC2 becomes even simpler, helping you manage your servers more efficiently. Let's get started. All right, server superstar. First things first, let's log into your FlyWP dashboard using your credentials. Easy peasy, right? Once you are in, head to the top right corner and select your team. Now, take a stroll down the left sidebar and find Server Providers under Team Settings. Click the Add Provider button. A pop-up will appear with a list of supported providers. Select AWS from the list to kick things off. Now, all you need to do is enter a fun profile name, along with your access key Idaho and secret access key to proceed. To generate your access key Idaho and secret access key, just click that Learn More button and follow along with the steps. It's super quick and easy. Now for your help, head over to the FlyWP website and check out the documentation for a detailed guide on creating an API token. Once you've got your API key, copy it carefully and return to the FlyWP dashboard. Paste the token into the designated field, then click on Add Credentials. Yes, you've successfully added AWS as your server provider in FlyWP. Now it's time to unleash the magic and start adding servers and sites to supercharge your WordPress server management. Let's create that server. Choose AWS and select your account. Region, server size, disk size, and server hostname. Once you've got everything set, click on the Launch Server button. You'll see a progress bar, and soon you'll be in server provisioning heaven. Finally, it's done. Now you can configure your server to your heart's content based on your preferences. You will create a new site from here. SSH keys. Database management, cron jobs, firewall rules, managed services and settings as well. And that's how easy it is to connect Amazon EC2 to FlyWP. You are all set to manage your servers with style and ease. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out all the other awesome features FlyWP offers. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more FlyWP tips and tricks. Happy building with FlyWP.